You might be noticing something looking a little bit different. It's not my handsome shirt. It's not my messy hair. It's the fact that I'm not wearing my glasses. Yesterday, these glasses just split in half. What does this screw in the middle of these glasses mean about vibrational frequencies? In my experience on this earth, the universe tests you. And these tests happen when you're on the edge of a relationship or when you're doing horrible financially. Like, these things don't happen to you when you just sign a client, when you just get a paycheck. I have negative money right now, negative $10,000, negative $20,000. I literally can't pay rent. Like, where am I going to pay rent next month? I do not know. But it's not even at that point that God's or the universe tests you. It's like you took out a line of credit, you asked someone for a loan, and then now you're 3 months in, beyond your point zero. Now you're like 30,000 in debt. You owe people money. You owe credit card money. Like, it's like you're too far gone. And then the universe will give you a test and say, look, this guy's been trying hard. He's been relatively disciplined. I haven't given him luck. I haven't given him the motivation lately. And they'll break your glasses in half. Now, it's obviously a small thing, but because it's like it's offering you a red pill and a blue pill. And it's saying, okay, look, man, I know you've been trying. Here's a blue pill. Go get a job. Because you need to pay for your glasses. You need to see. This is one that hits deep. You need money to pay for rent or glasses or whatever. All these expenses, just go get a job. Just give up, bro. Or the red pill, all right, fuck it. I have no money, but I'll just buy them. How are you going to buy it? I don't know. You'll figure it out somehow. You'll figure it out. You'll sell crypto. You move money around. You owe this person money. Blah, 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 buy the glasses. Boom. You like dodged that low frequency that was incoming of like, I'm a beggar and I can't afford it and I want to work a 9 to 5. It's like that was the final test of like, are you going to work the 9 to 5? Are you going to get a job to fund your emergency scenarios, or are you going to find a way? It's a small thing, but I'm committed to this frequency. It's like when you're begging on the street, hey, I want to be in this frequency. I want to be in this frequency. Give me $2. I want to be on this vibrational frequency. But when you operate on another frequency, you give the money to the homeless people. Here's $20. You buy the car, you buy this, you buy that, through speaking to yourself, through speaking to your peers, your daily goals, your daily habits. And when you operate on the frequency for long enough, then the universe says, man, this guy's basically on this frequency. He's operating on this frequency as if he's already making that amount of money. Let's just give him the amount of money. So that's one way to like kind of hack these like vibrational planes. And that's what manifestation is in itself. The only difference between your dreams and your goals are breaking down your dreams into tasks and putting dates on them. So it takes it from a dream that's just like an unachievable thing to just being like, no, I'm going to get that car in 2027. Literally break it down. How much money do I need? Who do I need to talk to? Now it's achievable. And then put a date on it, and now it's a goal. And then it's just reality because you have this task. In 1 year, you've done 5 looms a day. You've signed 6 clients per month. That means you're at $30K a month. And then you do that for 3 years, and now you're at $500,000 or $2 million. And you sell your business for $5 million. I thought blue would be cooler, but honestly, I like clear way better because now these ones look a lot more legit like glasses. I had to expense these glasses somehow. All right, cool. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks.